You want me to hold that?
Oh my God.
That must be a heavy present. Pull that sack out of there, Joel.
You get it out of there.
Little assistance.
Yeah, maybe their sister.
What in the world?
I don't know.
What is that, Joel?
Let's get it out.
It looks like a rescue vehicle. It's a fire truck. Wow.
It's a little remote control.
Oh, cool. That's
Oh, it even moves?
I
Wow.
think so.
What are you telling it, Lisa Joel?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Melody's turn.
Oh.